Hello, pupils. I'm teacher Felix Omondi from Greenview Schools, Kamulu. I'm welcoming you on online lesson. I'm going to take you through mathematics, grade 8. Welcome. Today I'm going to take you through SUB-STRAND, strand, measurement, and SUB-STRAND circle under circumference. The first question that we are going to tackle is, what is circumference? What is the difference between circumference and perimeter? How do we calculate the circumference of a circle? At the end of the lesson, the outcome that we are targeting is that the learner will be able to define the term circumference, the learner will be able to differentiate between circumference and perimeter, and also the learner will be able to calculate the circumference of the circle. Learners, let us visit grade 6 lessons that we talked about circle. And circle, we know very well, is a circular figure with a diameter. And we said very well that diameter connects 2 points of the circumference, this point and this point, to the center. And it also divides the circle into 2 halves, 1 and 2. Whereas radius connect the circumference of the circle to the center, 1 point of the circumference to the circle to the center, and it is a half the diameter. What is the relationship between radius and diameter? Radius is a half the diameter, whereas diameter is twice the radius. So if you divide diameter into 2, you get radius. Let us come back to what we are supposed to learn in grade 8, that is the circumference of the circle. Let us answer the first question, what is the circumference? We've said that the circumference is the distance around the figure, the circular figure. The distance around the circular figure is the circumference. Now, what is the difference between circumference and perimeter? We've said that circumference is the distance all around the figure, the circular figure, whereas perimeter is the distance all around a straight figure. A straight figure can be vertical or horizontal. So that is the difference. We must have the word circular in circumference, and perimeter must be on a straight line. The last question in our key inquiry question, how do we calculate the circumference of the circle? We calculate the circumference of a circle by applying the formula. We calculate the circumference of the circle by applying the formula. Circumference is equivalent to pi d. The letter d represents diameter. Circumference is equivalent to 2 pi r. R is equivalent to radius, or represent radius. Then let us clarify the two formula. We have 2 here in the second formula. When you multiply these 2 and the r, you get the diameter. So the formula is just the same, but we only use the second formula when we are given the radius. Let us try and get the circumference of this circle if the radius is 7 centimeters, so that we can apply the formula that we have. Here we have 7 centimeters as a radius, and the formula now will be circumference is equivalent to 2 pi r. Now let us substitute the formula. We have 2 times pi. We always know that pi is 22 over 7 times the radius that we have here is 7. The radius that we have here is 7. We are going to cancel 7 goes here 1, here 1, and we are going to have 2 times 22 times 1, which is equivalent to 44 centimeter. And that is our our circumference. Let us also try when we have the diameter. Let us also try when we have the diameter. I will draw a circular figure. Though not perfect, and I will have a diameter of 14 centimeter. I will have a diameter of 14 centimeter, and I'm going to apply this first formula, which circumference is equivalent to pi b, whereby circumference is equal to pi b. B stands for diameter. Pi is equal to 22 over 7 times diameter, which is 14. Our answer is in centimeter. 7 goes here 1, here 2. We are going to have 22 times 2. 22 times 2 is equivalent to 44 centimeter. And I've applied both formulas, and today I will give you one sum to go and try, and you are going to work out the circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle whose diameter is 28 centimeter. Thank you for the lesson. Let us meet next time.